Today, I'm going to teach you how you can use onions and honey to treat that stubborn cough for you and your kids. Few days cure. From the first day you start giving it to your child or you start taking it, that is the day you start seeing the result instantly. So watch me as I prepare it. You slice your onions into tiny pieces and then you add honey. Add honey to it. Make sure it's original honey. Add honey to it. And you leave it. Let me add more honey again. Make sure it's original honey. You leave it for 30 minutes and then you start using it. You'll be taking it to spoon. The mixture is very good for cough. You can see me giving it to my children. Put your mouth. Put your mouth. Exactly.